and planting.
Not systematic.
So
but
there is a fallout from the district
yeah,
authority.
because of we were having some scared about again sliding of the land.
Okay.
Sir, CM will you visit the spot?
CM will come at 2:30 directly to the site.
Okay.
Yeah, 2:30.
So-
By 12 o'clock he is reaching Goa airport, and from there he will come directly to the site.
And the people are saying that the rescue mission has not started to
Now I'm
7:30.
going there and I will start now.
Only
also.
CM or other minister will come in.
Minister, our revenue minister is already at the site, and he will also accompany ADGP Hitendra and one more ADGP Simant Kumar and one more Mattabayaronu fire idralgidralla. One more guy. All three senior people from the department. It has
They will come.
Rescue operation started today also late.
No, because of 6:30. See, last evening 6 o'clock they are closing. Actually. But with the light we have.
It was not raining. It was not raining.
No,
because we
but
have a
but we
weather
have, but,
advantage.
but we have started till the 8:30 p.m. From 6 to 8:30 p.m.
But every moment you relax.
The rescue operation still start now.
No, already it has started.
Only 7:30. That means
Because
from 6 to 7:30
yes,
we have a weather
because
advantage. But
whole
we didn't
day and night
utilize that.
day and night they are working now. Because of that and
Do
diesel.
you find there is a serious lapse from the district administration in coordinating all this?
I will not say that, but it is small delay. It doesn't mean that we cannot put more efforts. Means again we are having the only one doubt that again it should not slide. No.
So is there any possibility for airlifting once we recover Arjun?
Definitely,
airlifting.
definitely today the weather is good. We have already intimated Seabird people, means Navy people, to give a chopper, and we will see that chopper will also come if required.
So airlift will be possible.
Yeah, airlift is also possible. And second thing, not only Arjun's this thing is there, and our two people are there.
Total 3.
Total three.
All are our people, sir.
Yeah, all are our people. That is no doubt.
But I
And
really
yesterday's
appreciate your
incident,
effort, but the
whatever it
but
has
the district
happened,
administration
I
is
am
very poor
also.
and very pathetic, the family says.
See, she also came newly and within, I think she came by last week only. She has to know. all this.
Is the CM directly supervising the rescue mission?
Yeah. We are doing, and district administration also it is there, and SP is also in the spot only.
Okay.
But we will ensure you that today it will happen. Something will get positive.
So media people will be permitted.
Yeah, why not? That is my lookout.
Why are you not disclosing all these things? Because they are preventing us from taking photographs or aerial.
No, because of some intimation they are given by the senior authority. But today I am ensuring you nothing will happen. And ADGP Hitendra also, I told that media people has to be there. But you should not go here and there. In one place you can
Definitely,
set up
we
your
will be
this.
disciplined. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
You come along with me, no
Thank
problem.
you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You come along with me.
Limited vehicle.
Oh, enough. Only we have only 1 or 2 units.
Yes, sir.
ADGP also coming. The rescue operation stop at the 8 o'clock.
Yeah, 8:10, 8:15.
What is the real reason? It's the weather.
No, we have done whatever the air mark has been given by the GPS of this radar system, no? Till that, my thinking was that at least till that we have to reach. And we have made 4 pockets. 4 pockets, that is 24 feet one. Because the length of the vehicle is 24 feet by 10 feet.
Yeah.
Then we thought that at least we will cut it in 4 places so that at least we can get some wooden pieces, because that vehicle has been loaded by wood.
Yeah.
At least one log, if we found, no, then it is confirmed.
Yes. So, do you find the detrimental weather causing any trouble in the rescue mission?
No, and I don't think so. Nothing is wrong.
Even if it rains,
we will start. You come, no, you will, we will not stop. We will not stop today.
Okay.
Yesterday also we are not stopped. In whole day it was running.
And Sister Anju is now online. Can you speak to her?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, please speak to her.
Anju ma'am, this is Satish Sail from Karwar, Ankola. I'm MLA over here. I know that your brothers is the problem, but one thing I will ensure.